these are the knives I sharpened in the market for this purpose.
Nobody they do me like my baby, oh baby, my baby, oh baby, my baby, oh sweetie. Nothing they sweet me like my baby, my honey, oh my little oh yo yo, nobody they do me like my baby, my baby, oh my baby, oh baby, my baby, oh honey. Nothing they sweet me like my baby mo, oh my little, oh yo yo, nobody they do me like my baby.
Whew, wow, God. So it's Saturday morning and I'm just gonna wash this. Just gonna wash this and cut it. Hold up, let's take it back. My darlings, I can't start a video without greeting you all. Welcome and welcome back to my channel. You guys are all amazing. I'm referring to my new viewers, my return subscribers. Thank you all for clicking on this video. So now let's dive into what this video is all about. My darlings, I'm sure you have seen the title of the video and the thumbnail as well. So this video is practically about life in Nigeria. I mean, how we spend a weekend as a mama, or let me personalize it, how I run my family on a weekend basis, what life looks like in Nigeria on a weekend. So yeah, this is a mom that is, about to cook for her family on a weekend. So yeah, like I said earlier, today is Saturday and what you see me washing is okazi leaves. This leaf was gotten in one of my previous market vlogs. I'll link the video to that market vlog in the description box in case you would like to see that video. I shoot a lot of market vlogs, okay? So here on this particular Saturday, I just decided, to cook for my family, not bulk cooking. This is our first cooking for the year. And yeah, I wanted to relax and enjoy watching this video to the very end as I take you through how I'm going to be cooking for my family on a Saturday morning. So guys, I'm going to the market to buy ugu leaf, that's pumpkin leaves and some other things in the market, and I had to pack the okazi here. Since I'm going to the market, I'll just take it to the market women at once to help me cut it. Definitely it's not free. I'm going to pay for the cutting, but then again, when those are Kwai-born women, those Calabar women cut it for me, I'll get the perfect cutting. Okay, so today I'm not going to be cutting this okazi by myself. As you can see, my sack bags are there, so I have to quickly rush to the market to buy some few items. It's raining, like, I mean, the rain is so bad. So I just got to the market and I parked somewhere. So right now I want to get down and get going. Yeah, so
My baby, oh, nothing they sweet me like my baby, oh my little, oh yo yo, nobody they do me like my baby, oh baby.
Okay, they said ginger 200. They said ginger 200. Ginger 200 naira. And they come. You get garlic. And they come.
Thank you. So guys, I'm back from the market and you guys, I'm so tired. I don't think I can cook this food today. So this is the okazi that I grinded in the market. I grinded it with crayfish. So yeah, this is my okazi. Okay, so I bought, what else? I didn't really buy much. It's the okazi that took me to the market and a few items. So of course it's weekend and I want to make stew. So I got everything in here is fresh tomato, ginger, garlic. This is ginger, and there are some garlics in here, and of course my fresh pepper. So tomato, ginger, garlic, fresh pepper. That's practically what took me to the market. And of course I just had to buy a few toiletries. Yeah. So I just woke up this morning and everything I want to use to cook is frozen, like frozen. It's tomato. I bought it and just dumped it inside the freezer as I go back from the market. I just sorry, excuse me. I just dumped the whole thing inside freezer. That washing it. This one says tomato. So these are all the ingredients that I'll be using to cook our Sunday delicacy, the popular Nigerian Sunday delicacy, which is stew and rice. I mean, almost every Nigerian home that you go to on Sunday, know that you will definitely find stew and rice, either with chicken, beef, whichever way they choose to, or whichever protein they choose to cook the stew with. Just know you will definitely, for a fact, I'm certain, you will most likely find, let me use the word most likely find, stew and rice in a Nigerian home. So guys, after I succeeded in defrosting all the ingredients I just showed you guys, at this point the chicken was already on fire steaming while I cleaned up the fresh tomato, the peppers, that's the chombo tatashi, and the garlic pepper. I cleaned them all, put them in the blender. Yes, so now that everything is in here, I hope this can cover. If I succeed in covering it, perfect. You're what? You're hungry. Don't worry.
What are you doing?
I'm cooking stew. The meat is smelling nice. That's chicken. Oh yeah, mommy sure knows how to cook. That's the consolation for being a little bit late. Okay, so after blending the tomato mixture together, I started steaming it. But the good thing is, at this point, the rice was cooked and ready. So once I got done, frying the chicken, in fact, by the time I got done frying the chicken, the tomato had already dried water. So I just, quickly made the stew right after frying the chicken. Let me allow you guys enjoy the rest part of this cooking video.
My baby, oh, nothing they sweet me like my baby, oh, my chamo, oh yo yo, nobody they do me like my baby, oh, baby, my baby, oh, baby, my baby, oh, sweetie.
One banana.
Yes. Me too. Mom, I know you're so spicy.
Get your table ready and your chair so you eat. Now guys, I'm sure you heard my kids say they want bananas. There's one ritual in a Nigerian home I didn't mention earlier. Aside having rice and stew on a Sunday morning, you see bananas, they must also be available to go well with the rice. This is one thing I like about home, Nigeria. I mean, this is pure organic banana. Okay, so this is native banana. This is not achero. For those who know know what I mean by achero. This banana, oh my goodness, so sweet, natural. Naturally ripe. So my darlings, long story short, in a Nigerian home, especially on a Sunday, you must serve rice and stew alongside with bananas. Okay, either banana or fried plantain. In my own home, I prefer serving ripe banana, as in organic, natural, native banana. It goes well with rice and stew. So I gave my kids theirs, and right now, as you can see, I'm dishing the food for the king of the house, which is my man. He likes gizzard and chicken bonbon. Oh my goodness. Okay, my darling. So after serving my family, of course, after we all enjoyed our meal, later on in the day, still on Sunday, towards evening, I decided to continue with my Sunday cooking. So here I had brought out the meat, the goat meat from the freezer. I am doing my butchering of meat. I'm always butchering meat. You guys, if you watch my weekend bulk cooking vlogs, you already know that by now. Okay, so all I'm doing is, trying to cut the meat because they've been in the freezer for a while. We got them in December. Yeah, so yes, please, if you haven't seen my December bulk meat bulk buying video, please kindly see that video. I think I'm okay with this amount. This is plenty enough for the soup. Okay, so wow. So guys, to continue with my cooking, as you can see, I have 2 pots of meat on fire. Okay, and what you see me adding is seasoning cubes to the pot. One of the pots I want to use the meat for soup, and the other one I just want to fry the meat down. I know I'd already fried chicken, but I just like having 2 different types of proteins for the week. Since this year I've just been doing weekly cooking, not monthly bulk cooking like I usually do. Okay, so after steaming the meat down, this particular one in this black basin is the one I used in cooking afang soup. If you've been watching my vlogs, you know already by now that in my home, especially when my man is around, I always cook either afang soup or vegetable soup. That is one soup we must have in the house. Like, we love fresh vegetable soups, as all the ingredients are being gotten fresh from my garden, especially the vegetables. Okay, so yeah, if you haven't seen any of my farm videos, you need to see the farm videos. But of course, the okazi was also gotten from a farm before I took it to the market to slice it. Long story short, you guys, I'm done cooking the afang soup. You guys, take a good look at the face of this afang soup. See, when I say in my home we love afang soup or vegetable soup, which is a dikaikon soup, I no bite my tongue talk am, because that is my best soup. That is hobby's best soup, and because I pour in my heart when I am cooking afang soup or a dikaikon soup. I know I love cooking other soups, of which you guys can attest to, but you see, when it comes to afang soup, there's just this special touch. You now just take a good look at the soup for yourself. Take a good look at the face of the soup. The aroma was killing, was amazing. So my darlings, I served my man his food, and of course we both ate the soup together as dinner. And after I got done eating with my man, I went ahead to complete my cooking, which is the frying of the goat meat. And after frying, I just stored the fried chicken and the fried goat meat in the freezer. And that was how my Sunday went. I spent the whole Sunday cooking for my family. Thank you guys for watching this video. I really do appreciate you all that have spent your time to watch this video. Please check if you've liked this. If you've not liked it, give it a big thumbs up, okay? And I really appreciate it. And to my new viewers, please subscribe. Bye.